So you just watch us really quickly throw this Tusk aluminum roof on. It went on like a breeze. They give you everything. They give you the foam padding. They gave you the hardware. They gave you spacers here in the back to keep that up off the roll cage. So it's absolutely silent. That's the quietest roof I've put on yet, aside from maybe a plastic roof. But I've never put on a plastic roof. So pretty impressive. Good looking roof, as you can see there. And it has these cool louvers here on the back. I mean, it looks like when you're going, it's going to actually blow air down on your neck, which is money. That's good. So there you go, first mod down. Let's keep on rolling.